In this guide, we'll walk through address completion with Geocodio, submit incomplete or messy addresses, and get back clean, standardized results. Address completion takes a partial address and returns a fully standardized result. As long as you provide at least a street with a city and state, or a street with a postal code, Geocodio fills in the rest: city, state, postal code, and county. In most cases, you'll get a result that's accurate to the exact rooftop or street level parcel. Geocodio handles a wide range of US address formats. You can abbreviate or spell out street types and directionals, submit a street with a city and state, or just a street with a zip code. You can even submit a city, county, state, or zip code on its own, though you'll get a centroid instead of a rooftop result. Geocodio also supports Canadian addresses. The key requirement is that Canadian queries must include the word Canada. You can mix and match components like street, city, province, and postal code. Geocodio also handles French accent corrections automatically, so Levis gets corrected to Levis. Geocodio also supports UK addresses. Similar to Canadian queries, UK addresses must include UK or United Kingdom in the query. You can submit a full address with street, city, and postcode, or a partial query like a city with a postcode. Here's how to geocode an address using curl. Send a GET request to the geocode endpoint with your address as a query parameter. For batch geocoding, send a POST request with an array of addresses in the request body. With the Python library, create a Geocodio client with your API key. Then, call the geocode method with your address string. For batch geocoding, pass a list of addresses to the same method. The Node.js library works similarly. Initialize the Geocodio client, then call the geocode method with your address string. Handle the response with a promise. A few things to keep in mind. If you submit a city without a state, Geocodio assumes the largest city with that name. If no country is specified, the US is assumed. And while Geocodio provides high-quality address completion, it is not CAS certified by USPS. If you need CAS certification for shipping purposes, a specialized vendor may be a better fit. Ready to start completing addresses? Head over to Geocodio to create your free account and try it out.